Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use 4 WhatsApp numbers on a single mobile without using third-party application. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything.
So guys, to use 4 WhatsApp numbers on a single mobile, all you have to do is simply download WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business in your mobile. Now go to the mobile setting. Down here in this app option, you will see this dual application option. If you are not able to find it, then simply search dual or dual apps here on this search bar. If you open this dual app setting, you will see WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business is listed here. Simply switch on this dual app button to enable it. As you can see, other WhatsApp icon doesn't have this button, so simply click on it. Here you will see the switch on option. So simply switch it on. Now, if you go to the home screen, you will see all of your 4 WhatsApps here. So guys, this is how you can use 4 WhatsApp accounts on a single mobile.
So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.